Students, let us sing a song on life processes in living organisms part 2. From this song you can get the answers of fill in the blanks, complete the correlated words, give two examples of each, what are the different types of reproduction, draw diagrams, etc. Types of reproduction. Let us study in organisms. Types of reproduction. Let us study in organisms. It may be asexual without involvement of gametes, or in some may be sexual involving male and female gametes. Types of reproduction. Let us study in organisms. Types of reproduction. Let us study in organisms. Asexual reproduction. Let us study in unicellular. Binary fission in amoeba. Transverse binary fission in paramecium. Longitudinal binary fission present in euglena. Multiple fission you can see in amoeba. Budding you can see. Budding you can see. In yeast. Types of reproduction. Let us study in organisms. Types of reproduction. Let us study in organisms. Fragmentation in Spirogyra. Regeneration in Planaria. Budding in Hydra. Budding in Hydra. Spore formation in fungi. Spore formation in fungi. Let us study vegetative propagation in plants. In potatoes with the help of eyes. In bryophyllum with the help of birds. Present on leaf margin. In sugarcane and grasses. Present on nodes. In carrot and radish. Perform vegetative propagation with the help of roots. Types of reproduction. Let us study in organisms. Types of reproduction. Let us study in organisms. Let us study now sexual reproduction. Androecium and gynoecium essential walls in flower. They perform function of reproduction in plants. Calyx and corolla. Calyx and corolla are called as accessory walls. They protect inner walls of flower. Members of calyx called as sepals. All are green colored. Members of corolla are called as petals. Petals are colorful. A flower is bisexual as in hibiscus. A flower is bisexual, as in hibiscus. It may be unisexual. It may be unisexual, as in papaya, as in papaya, as in papaya. Let us study sexual reproduction in human beings. A diploid zygote form here, union of haploid male and female gametes. A diploid zygote form here by union of haploid male and female gametes. Zygote undergo mitosis. Zygote undergo mitosis. New embryo is formed here, which has here 46 chromosomes. Two parents are involved. Two parents are involved in this type of reproduction. The embryo develops to form new individual, to form new individual, to form new individual.